we're going to be taking this and transforming it into this. So guys, if you remember from a little while ago, I did a video regarding the desk I'm currently running at the moment, and it's the X-Rocker. It's just up with the cards there. Well, I don't like it anymore. So I decided to build an IKEA desk. See how this goes. So, first of all, I've got to get all this out of the way, so we'll speed this up, don't worry. Okay, so I got the old desk dismantled. I've got to build this one now. So it's 2 Alex drawers. I was going to go for the normal desk that they do, but I've heard so many bad reviews saying they're so bad, so I actually bought a kitchen worktop instead to go on top. So I'm hoping that works. And then I've got one single leg that's going to go in the centre. So let's get building. Let's get building. I've got 2 of these to build and there is a lot of parts. So let's go. Both of the Alex drawers built, and they weren't too bad actually. Build quality isn't too bad. So they are chipboard and the white on the outside. I believe you can get them in a few different colours. You will have to check. I'll drop some links down below so you can check for yourself. And then you've got 2 small drawers and then 3 bigger drawers. You can get them so you have dump drawers, which are larger drawers at the bottom, but I went for these ones instead. So these aren't too bad when it comes to the price. You know, they can be a little bit pricey, so if you don't want anything like this, you can just buy legs. They're about 10-15 quid a pop. So I've got these 2, and I've got a leg that's going to go in the middle because it's time to get the Saljan worktop on here. So I was going to go, like I said, for the normal desk, but it's not very strong, so I went for a slab, literally, that would normally go in your kitchen. So it's time to get that on now, and I've got to get the leg drilled, get it We're going to be taking this and transforming it into this. So there we go, guys. So that was the finished product for the IKEA desk, and the concept of it was a little bit wild at first. You know, I've got the two Alex drawers, and instead of going for a desktop, I went for a kitchen worktop because A, the weight of it, and surprisingly really cheap. So the desktop itself cost me around about £35. The Alex drawers, they're around £50 to £60. So it all depends if that's something you have in your budget to actually spend. But other than that, it turned out really well. I went straight for the desk and the two Alex drawers. The monitors are now kept up by a arm that is connected to the back side of the desk. I've just got a simple line of LED strips that go around the back side of the worktop as well. All of this will be in links in the description, so don't worry, if you want to go check them out, you can do. And I've also swapped over microphones, so I'm now using the Fifine microphone, which is just up in the cards there, so if you want to go check that out as well, be my guest. But it turned out really good. So the lights I'm using are from Edifer. I think these are the Edifer lights. These are two boom lights with bulbs, tripods and covers. There'll be links in the descriptions for them as well, so don't worry. Everything from today's video will be in the video description. So if you want to go check them out, be my guest. And then there was just a little finishing touches like the cable management cables. So I used these for my cable management, and you know, you can get these for next to nothing on Amazon, so they'll be down the list as well. And it turned out really, really well. I am really surprised. The LEDs as well. The only thing I didn't like about the LEDs is the size of the remote. Now that is a lot of different colours and a lot of different things going on in one single remote, which is ridiculous. So it's just as simple as changing by the remote. The receiver is hidden behind the desk, so you can't see it. So it does work really well. And the only cables I really have loose is the USB Type-C cable for my keyboard and my mouse, which is right at the back there. So it turned out really well, and I'm actually really happy about this. It didn't really cost me that much money either, so it is roughly on a budget, if that's what you want to call it. But as always, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. It was a little bit long, but I tried to speed things up as much as I possibly could so you could capture everything that was going on. All the links will be in the video description, so if you want to go check out anything that you've seen today, do head down below and go give it a try. And as always, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm Junior's Tech, and I'll catch you in the next video.